Hello, you beautiful people out there. My name is Majestic Muffin, and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. So, today, I am going to be trying something I haven't done before, but I think it'll be fine. Hopefully. It's kind of reminiscent of my car look that I did back in, oh my god, 2020. That was in 2020, this. Where I have these little butterflies, and I'm going to put them on me so that it looks like they're coming out of my skin. I'm planning on doing just a bunch of liquid latex, but these are barrettes, so the first things first is I need to take their legs off. So super slay. That's pretty much it. I'm out of scar wax, so it's not like I can use that anyway, but I don't think I would need any for this anyway, unless I wanted to do something a bit more in-depth. But it's not anything I can't do with, like, without liquid latex. So I'm gonna do that real fast. So yeah. I'm very proud of it. I'm gonna add more blood, but Timmy's in my lap. So, sorry, I'm gonna add more blood, but Timmy's in my lap. So I'll wait to do that. I'm very proud of.
I'm so sorry. I love you so much.
I love you too. Sorry, I can't smile right now. I'm very proud of how this came out. I should have not debarretted all of these so I can put them in my hair, but maybe we can fuck with that outside. Pookie, babe, my love. I didn't know if you stopped listening or not. I took all the barrettes off these, but maybe we can fuck with them and try to put them in my hair. We're gonna find out. So now for the pictures. So yeah, if you have any other suggestions for special effects stuff, or like, you know, I have a lot of looks that I did in like 2020. And like a little bit after that I never recorded for YouTube that I might redo anyway. So yeah, just let me know. Like if you like it, subscribe if you like it, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next video. Bye bye.